Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome back to those of you who are already subscribed to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Angie Moon and I love to do a lot of beauty videos. Today I decided to do my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know who else was shocked by the size of the box.
I was like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Is it gonna be like a surprise for, us regular Boxycharm subscribers?
Okay, my love, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. And for November's theme, it is called Stellar. Here is the paper right here. The first item in the box, I'm gonna go in order as always, is called Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. Now that is the palette, this beautiful palette that you guys can see right here. I'm gonna show you up close. Look at these beautiful colors. I'm gonna be swatching them for you guys, of course, as always. So the first one on the palette is called Eternal Light. So right here you have Eternal Light. Why is, let me get my light closer because I don't understand why that's not showing. Anywho, you guys can see here on my finger, it's a nice and pretty highlight that you can see used in the inner corner of your eyes. Next color is called Fireball, and you can see right there. Here you go. This is whichever is better for you guys to see. Now the next one on the palette is called Black Matter, and I swatched it right over here. Actually on the camera it kind of looks like it's black, but it has a lot of little, like, you can see it up close there, like a hint of purple, and I did use that for the first half of my eyelid, as you can see here up close. That is one of the eyeshadows that I used. And the next one is called Zero Gravity. It's a matte, and I felt like this one went perfectly with Black Matter. This is the other color that I have right here. It is towards the end of my eyelid. You can see it here. It is it does look like a lighter grayish brown color. The next one in the palette is called Lucid Dream, and it's this one right over here, which is, it looks like a purpley pink. Look at that color, how beautiful it swatches. It actually looks like a very beautiful hot pink. Next eyeshadow color is called Storm Dust. Here you go, you can see it on my finger first, and here it is with the other swatches. It is this one right here. Moving on to the next one. This one is called Lunar Eclipse. It's another matte. It's this one right here, the swatch of the last one that I just did, the Lunar Eclipse. So it's like a orangey. And now for the last shade on the palette is called Mystic Ice, and it is another matte color. So you can see it here on my finger. What a beautiful aqua color. And here is the last swatch for the palette. So here you go, you guys, you can see it up close. This eyeshadow palette right here retails for $35. So that's pretty good. So let's go ahead and move to the second item in the box. This one is called Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Now get this, you guys, this item right here retails for $50. I have my makeup on right now, so I can't really put it on, but I will open the box in front of you guys so you guys can see what the bottle looks like. And here it is. The packaging of it looks very pretty. I love how they use that lime green. And let's see. Oh, look at the applicator. Looks pretty interesting. The shape of it all, you just put it right under. The third item in the box, it's by Becca. Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. Now you guys, this highlighter by Becca is so gorgeous. Okay, I have it here. I put some on my nose and look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All I gotta do is move my face side to side and you guys can see. Look at that glow. You guys know I'm obsessed with highlighter. Besides, you know, eyeshadow palettes, I'm super obsessed with them, but come on, you guys. Now, this is the cute little packaging here, the cute little compact mirror for the highlighter. I found that so cute that it has the mirror on it. It had this little plastic here that says Becca, and look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. Look how it shines. Now, the color for this one is Vanilla Quartz. Here, this is the highlighter. Look at that. It's popping like crazy. And I'll put it next to over here. Wow. You guys, that is the highlighter. Look at that. Look at that. The glowiness. Look at that. These are pretty high-end products. Okay? And like, I'm like a little kid in the candy store right now. So that one retails for $38, you guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and move on. The next one, the fourth item on the box, is called Vita Mask Morning and Evening Eye Mask Set. Now, these are right here. And the packaging is super cute, you guys. Now, these masks retail for $12. Okay, so for the last item in the box, very new that Boxycharm has created, and I tried them out today for my makeup. So it is Boxycharm 2-piece brush set, and it comes in this cute little plastic little bag thing, and here are the brushes. How cute are these brushes, you guys? And then in the front of the brush it says Boxycharm, if you can read it there. Boxycharm. And now they're pretty like dense brushes. If you can tell a little bit here, I just used a little bit for powder just to see how it felt. And you guys, oh my gosh, they are so soft and amazing. The foundation brush is the smaller one, and you can tell right here, I used it today. I didn't have any trouble. It was pretty like comfortable, specifically here in the middle, how they have it for you to grab it like that. I don't know, it just felt really nice and comfortable. Now for the powder brush, I do have to be honest, for this big one here, it suggests for you, I mean, it also says that you can use it for like liquids and all of that. I did try the powder on there just to see what it felt like, but I feel like they're like twins basically. It's too dense, kind of like too tight in there, so I feel like these two are perfect for creams and liquids. I don't know, that's just my opinion. You can use it however you want. They're just kind of suggesting it for you guys. I'm gonna go right ahead and add the total of November's box, $170.
What? $170 was the total of November's box. Good job, Boxycharm. Like, you guys deserve a big round of applause. Like, wow. All of these items, everything that you guys sent me, I am extremely happy.
So that's about it, because if not, you guys already know I'm gonna keep talking and talking and talking. So which I pretty much have done already. So as always, you guys already know that I love you so, so much. I want to thank you guys for being with me since day one. Thank you also for, if you're new, if you're just seeing me for the first time, thank you for clicking on my video. I hope that you do join our family, and I hope you guys have an amazing, beautiful day. I love you guys so, so much. Mwah, besitos as always. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.